Hi guys, today we are going to explore the code of the second day of HTML markup language, hypertext markup language. And previously we done the reduction on the Hello page model, but we today we're going to see like for headings as well as some order list and unordered list how to going to write to code about that. So I'm just opening a new file. That is, I'm going to name it as headings. Headings.html. Okay, I'm just copying this same code. I'm just copying this. Just making some going to change the title to headings. And here I want to go to this, deleting this. I'm just importing like a h1. Yeah. And then I'm going to pass it as some random sentence like this is heading. Yeah. That's it. That's it, guys. So I'm just going to run it. You can clearly see that it's taking some time, but here, here we can see that this is heading. This is supposed to be the biggest heading of the headings. So what if I write a small heading or subtitle or something, subheading or something? Then what is the syntax that we're going to use is like not hi, that means h1. This one going to run it. Yes. Yeah. And after this is supposed to be heading. And the code for the subheadings, I mean like h1, h2, sorry, h2. This is second heading. Yeah. And we can go all the way up to some h6. Then we go all the way up to h6. Okay, we can just simply write h6 for the h6. I'm going to this is the last, the last heading. We can go see the difference in the output. It's taking some time. Yeah, yeah. Here we can clearly see that. Then just okay. Yeah, yeah. The H1 is the biggest heading of all time, and H2 is the second heading. This is supposed to be second heading, and H3 is the third heading, and the last one, but not is the last heading. That means H6 is supposed to be this way. This is the heading for guys. We can go name it for any name. So just the next topic we are going to discuss about that is like I'm going to open a new file that is for this dot html. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna do is just copying this and then placed over here. Just change the title, to this. So yeah, okay. And then I wanna there's this one. I'm going to name it as an order list. Okay, here I'm just going to I'm first going to order the list. Further, I'm just going to use OL for ordered list. Okay, and here in that order list, I'm going to use a tag that is used for the list one, L1, 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 L2, or something like that. I'm just gonna use this one too. Yeah, Li. I'm just using it for the list for using a tag that is used to represent the numbering of that list. I mean the order, the one, two, three, four, all the way up to how many lines we are going to read. The how many numbers that go on that the numbers going to print that according to that the numbers gonna send to that. I'm just going to queue like a something like li just okay, I'm just gonna give you the names. One, yeah, this is supposed to be capital. Going to I just using for and second that last list. Okay, and this is for file. Sorry. This is supposed to be not like a line. Okay, the tag that we used. Okay, I'm just so going to see that output. Just going to see that output. Yes. Sorry. Can perfectly see that an odd order list and just names according to that. First is for raw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I'm just not entering the numbers here. I'm just entering that list. I'm going to use it. But yeah, according to that, it is like it is going to give the numbering to the code that I'm going to write. So this is for order list. What if I write for unordered list, something like bullet points or something. So going for printing the bullet points. For that, I'm just going to use unordered list that is just going to first name it as order order list. And this is the tag that I used for unordered list, UL tag. Okay, that's it. Okay, in the just same it as li. Same structure. I'm going to print it. So it. Here, just saying some random name that is for Jack. Okay, and just going to run it. Just I'm going to read this one, run it. Here we're going to see the output. Yes, that's it. Yeah, we can properly see that this is the bullet point that are going to use it, right? Yeah, that's it for first is for Jack, Ravan, Kyle. But in order list, it is like giving a name, giving a number to that, giving a number to the name. So this is the difference between the ordered and the unordered list in the HTML tag representation. So the heading is for list and this is for unordered list. Okay. Okay, then we're going to move. I'm just going to give a CSS as a cascaded style sheets representation based on that. This I'm going to open my file explorer, like showing some presentation about the CSS. So just going to understand that, like we like a better understanding on that. So right. CSS is the various levels of profiles. Each level, okay, this means the CSS represents the first CSS certification to become the official V3C recommendation in CSS level, published in December 1996. CSS level 2, it means that means the CSS was developed for only to maintain the for color and the font. But later, the advanced CSS, the lot of tags, the lot of colors, and as well as some reality of like this one, just visualizations as well as some like points to that, maintain the website like a stunning, like a styling to this website the way we want to see the website. They're going to specify the latest versions of CSS. The first versions of CSS specification in the line of 1996 was born in 19 December. Like the one, and the second one was developed in Little 7, which is supposed to be in May 1998. And the third, he is maintains CSS purpose for means how we why we want to use CSS. Cascaded first, the CSS means the cascaded style sheets. Cascaded means the interpreting is some the same the one to another words to together means develop something new is for cascaded, and style means that means we are going to giving the styles, that means the key features that we are going to use it, and sheets means we are going to add the sheets to it. The style sheets are going to use the for cascading to represent the how HTML website that we want to present. CSS depends how HTML elements are to be displayed. Yeah, that's very correct. And CSS styles are normally saved in external CSS files, external layout of the page and website. Here, I'm just going to give this, I mean, like a style rule. Yeah, can clearly see that, right? Color, that means selected, and the red is for the color declaration. How, what is the color that means? The second node, I mean, the property, the understanding is style suits. It means the property of space. That means like the color is the key to represent the how it is supposed to be in the color. That means we are going to declare, but what is the value? Not if I write something like alive, something like this one. So I'm just going to use. Yes, earlier I use only small integers. What if I use some like capital, capital list, ally, and ally, sorry, ally. Okay, going to run it. You can you see that an ordered list. I'm going to change the function setting. It is the same as usual. That means it is a case sensitive. Just it is the same as well. But what if I write in this one, unordered list, li, right? Same as usual. Yes. It again. Yeah. Yeah. Then there is no change. That means that is the HTML is for the case sensitive for order list that we are going to explain what it is. So basically, the CSS is for the way we want to represent the website to the public, I mean, to show the people what we have done it on the tag. That means I'm just giving a sample that is so this is taking this an example. This is supposed to be like a CSS as well, CSS format. And here the color, that means this is the color that entered in the decrypted on the CSS for exactly that the editor. That means this is supposed to be in the blue color. This is supposed to be the code. It means inside the white color. This is supposed to be in the orange, and it's supposed to be green. That means the way we want to represent our website is going to be in these sizes. But the structure, this is the structure that the structure we are going to use that. So the structure is for HTML and the font that the way we want to see the website. This is CSS. Combining HTML and CSS is going to is a stunning. That we're going to create a stunning website that we actually. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for learning. Thank you for being this channel. Well, I hope you learned something. Okay, this is the time for the today's quote. What is today's quote? Okay, going to see something like okay, the base quote is okay, I'm going to write that. Please wait 2 seconds. Just writing. Okay, today's quote is the pro is the amateur who simply show every day. This is more for today's guys. I'm going to explain. Okay, no one is born to be a pro. That means in any subject you take, no one has in the beginning that has something like no one has to be topper for studying more for only one day. So you're going to study more continuously, day by day, day by day, day by day. You are improving. But what if you're not learning like something like some students will say that. So I'm gonna study uh, a day before the exam. I'm gonna study a week before exam. I'm gonna study like the somebody's some students like some students like students say that like what if I don't study? I mean, what if we study? This is the whole thing the memorize thing. So what if I don't study and keep focusing on like I'm just memorizing things. Yes, I'm going to explain this one previously. The pro is the amateur who put in their reps. I mean, the pro is the amateur who fell in love with the process. That means that continuing you doing something is the process you will turn with your life. That means continually you are paying something you don't have in the process. That means you're going to pay every little bit. Every you're going to step into the view. You're going to climb in every step. You're going to study every day. Not only your home, but not only your study, not only your even your life. When you're doing something, you will continuously doing. You're going to be a nature. You are going nothing to with him, just learning new things every day by day. That is what the pro that means. The end of the day, he is the pro. Is he learning that you don't learn? That is the key behind your the life of today's sport. I hope this is for useful to your life or in someday or another. Thank you guys so thank you for being this channel. I hope you enjoy this. That's it for guys. I'm signing off. Thank you.